Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Food Beyond Its Nutrition. And guys, today I am making poached salmon in a velouté sauce. Guys, it's easy. You can use this for chicken, you can use this for fish, simple. Mise en place, guys, and some of it didn't get recorded, but hey, I have here two 6-ounce fillets of salmon, and I've used the center cut. That's the best cut for this type of recipe. And unfortunately, I didn't record my my mise en place on the cutting board, but here I have some white wine and some vegetable stock. I've got red and white onions. I've got green onions in here. I have my aromatics are fresh dill, thyme and bay leaves. I have lemon, crushed garlic and peppercorns. Guys, I'm going to bring this to a nice rolling boil. And once it's achieved that, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. Now, this is a nice simmer. It's not a nice clip because what I want it to do is to extract all that goodness from all these aromatics. So this is what it should look like once it has done that job. You see the thyme leaves look a little skinny. It's done its job, etc. Now, I'm actually going to lay the actual salmon fillets into or on top basically of all the stuff, all the aromatics, and I'm going to lay this in and I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and I'm going to cover it. Now, once it starts cooking, you'll see that the salmon will start releasing the albumin, and that's the white liquid that it releases. And once again, guys, it's really important that this is done at a simmer. And I'm going to show you because you can see the bubbles there. I'm going to point them out. And it's cooking too quickly. So I turned it down, covered it, because you don't want to boil it. You want to poach it. I strained the poaching liquid because we're going to actually use all of that. We don't need the aromatics. So we're going to use that to make the velouté sauce. Now, guys, I didn't actually record the making of the velouté sauce. It's a simple roux, which is equal parts butter and flour. And then you use that liquid, that liquid gold to make a delicious sauce. I added some parsley, and that was just for a pop of color. But guys, it didn't really need it. But this is poached salmon in velouté sauce. Absolutely delicious. Served it with some mashed potatoes, some vegetables and a little salad. Deliciousness on a plate. Guys, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And check out this recipe and more at foodbeyonditsnutrition.com.